जी जनाब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. How are you all, everyone? Hope you all are having fun watching T20 2024 ICC Men's World Cup T20. उम्मीद है मज़ा आ रहा होगा. The most thrilling and the most awaited match between Pakistan and India had happened, and as usual, unpredictable team Pakistan did something different. 30 overs they were different, then remaining overs 10 remaining over they twisted. So this is what Pakistan that we know all. And now the point is that basically that where something went wrong. Their first match against Australia, America, USA was also not good. They lost against USA, and again the match which was almost in their favor for 30 overs, but they were not able to manage. Mainly that because of that the team selection, and they were slightly below the average in selection. So something is different in Pakistan cricket had happened after Sarfaraz exclusion. There is something that kind of if you listen different people, different sources, for sure they will confirm there is some kind of lobbying and those items are going on. So अब अगर इसको डाइसेक्ट करें तो टेक्निकली पॉइंट ये है कि आजकल फिर शोर मचा हुआ है कि सरफराज अहमद जब ही लेफ्ट द कैप्टेंसी वेयर पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम वाज स्टैंडिंग 2019 50 overs World Cup, they played very good cricket apart from the run rate and the initial one or two losses which cost them too much, and they were not able to qualify to the next round. तो अब केस ये है कि उसके बाद से इन्होंने जो कोशिश की है करने की, तो आप देखेंगे कि लोग वही हैं, वो पुराने चेहरे जो सेलेक्टेड सम almost selected by others, not based on their performances. Somebody selected and referred these people are good, so they keep following that one, whether it is Chacha Iftikhar or Haris Rauf or Rizwan. I mean, if someone is world class, they will deliver at the crunch situation and at any position. It is not a matter of position that you need to come down only, and particularly see they have not been grown up or practiced enough to improve their mental strength, that what they want. Mr. Babar and Mr. Rizwan, they want to come first, open. So okay, please, that day was the perfect platform for you. You finished the match, but what had happened? Both of them were not able to successful. Why? Reason is that they have not been prepared, or they have not been that kind of players who took the responsibility and able to perform in under pressure situation. So अब लेकिन ये आए कहाँ से? अब ये है सवाल, ये क्यों आए, ये किस लिए आए? ये पूरी आप टीम देखें कि किस तरीके से इम्बैलेंस है. 5 साल हो गए, लोग तैयार नहीं हो सके, और वी आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट अ वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलर, बैटर, ओपनर, कीपर. आप कुछ ट्राई नहीं कर रहे. या तो ये होना कि जी टीम सेट हो गई तो 5 साल की या 7 साल कर चलती रहेगी. नहीं जी, टीम सेट नहीं है. यू आर नॉन स्टॉप going down and down and down and down. So जिस तरह वो अहमद शहजाद का सुन रहा था, फिर दूसरे लोग हैं, विक्रांत गुप्ता हैं, वसीम अकरम हैं, रवि शास्त्री हैं. आउटसाइडर्स तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा रुक के बोलते हैं, लेकिन इनसाइडर जो हैं दे बैश ओपनली एक्चुअली. तो वसीम अकरम तो यहाँ तक कहने पे मजबूर हो गए हैं कि 5-6-7 लोगों को अब घर जाना चाहिए, दैट इज़ इनफ. और जो उसके बाद अगर एक दो कोई वर्ल्ड क्लास हैं, सो कॉल्ड शाहीन, हारिस रऊफ़, लेट देम टेक अ गैप एंड कम बैक. अच्छा, होना कुछ नहीं है. आप देखें, ये रीबिल्डिंग फेज़ है, जो आया है वो जाएगा भी. जो 2003 का वर्ल्ड कप वी वर आउट, a lot of people went, no issues, things keep moving, new talent came and took over the charge. Similarly 2007 में couple of guys left from batting department. Still things move on. तो चीज़ तो चलेगी, रुकेगी तो नहीं, दुनिया तो नहीं रुकती है, तो ये भी इनको करना पड़ेगा. एंड बहुत राइट टाइम है. अगेन अगर अभी नहीं किया तो फिर दोबारा चीज़ बैठ जाएगी और कूल डाउन होने के बाद फिर दोबारा वही पुरानी नौकरी पुरानी सैलरी पे काम होगा. तो अगर तो ये अडॉप्ट किया इन्होंने, तो अगर तो करप्शन और कल्प्रिट हैं खेलने वाले, तो कहीं ना कहीं सेलेक्ट करने वाले भी हैं, और उसके बाद उन सेलेक्टर्स को और उन बोर्ड मेम्बरान्स को चलाने वाले, वेदर दे आर ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ दैट आई वांट टू से ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ पीसीबी आर आल्सो कल्प्रिट. They are part of this gang lobby system. So then let it be continue. Let's see how they will behave, whether they reach to the next level or not, or semis or final whatsoever. But this is the time to change and move on. चलें देखते हैं क्या होता है नेक्स्ट मैचेस में, किस तरह बढ़ता है वर्ल्ड कप पाकिस्तान के लिए और अदर्स के लिए. But there is no doubt, let me add at the end as well, that India is number one. They were number one. They are number one. Again, they proved that still for certain period with such kind of people, such kind of players, they will remain world class. You need to control your nerves till the last ball of the game, which they did it. I like the statement of Rohit Sharma, which he mentioned in his post-match ceremony, that we discussed in between mid of the game. Come on guys, if it can happen to us, that after 10th over they collapsed, Indian team, so it can happen to others as well. So let us push, let us work hard. And what had happened, that Pakistani team completely collapsed and the result went in the favor of India. So if you have such kind of people who can do the effort till the last ball, that means you have world class people. So keep it up India, well done. If whoever play good will win the game. So no doubt India is number one right now, whether it is T20, Test or One Day International, ODI, they are the best. And by their efforts, which shows they are the world class, so it is reflected in all formats of cricket. So congratulations India, Indian team, good luck for the future, and let's see how things will move in Pakistan cricket. Thank you very much, take care, bye bye, cheers.